So now it's time to hear from you.
We know when it comes to buying, renting, refinancing, so many of you have a lot of real estate questions.
So we're giving our Metro Residential viewers the mic.
We hit the streets in order to get your question.
And then we'll give you all the answers.
Here's the 411.
In a city like New York, it's hard enough to get around, let alone navigate the ins and outs of the real estate market. Luigi Rosabianca is one of New York City's top real estate attorneys. Really? Few attorneys know real estate like Luigi. So when it comes to answering your real estate questions, he's our expert. Hi, Luigi. It's always good to see you.
Same here, Jeff. How are you?
Ready for the question this week?
Absolutely.
Here we go.
My name is Ann Zachariadis. I'm from Staten Island. I'd like to know, what is a good credit score to have when purchasing a new home?
Okay, interesting question. Credit scores, more important than ever, right?
Absolutely.
So what differentiates good, better, best?
Jeff, I'd always make this comment in my office, and everyone always teased me that the credit score back in the day was 120 over 80. If you had a pulse, you'd get a loan.
Right.
In today's market, banks are always looking at the 680 to 720 range. Anything above that, you're safe.
Okay, so it could be, though, if you're looking for the best rate out there, you gotta read all the fine print, right? Because there's gatekeepers maybe at 720, 740, 760, all the way up to 780.
It's part and parcel of the product. The better your credit score, the better the product that is available to you. There are products out there if your credit score is 650, 660, but your rate will suffer as well as the type of product that is available to you.
Okay, and for our viewers that are wondering, hey, I really want to get to work on trying to improve my credit score, is there any fast answer to this, Luigi?
It's a lot of work over a long period of time, and it's prudence, it's conservative, it's being steady on your payments, not missing any. It's old-fashioned financial conservatism.
Easy to get in trouble, not so easy to fix it.
Absolutely.
Luigi, thank you. That's great information.
Thank you, Jeff.
Hi, Luigi. How are you?
Great, Jeff. How are you?
Very good. It's good to be with you again. And should we go with this week's question?
Let's go.
Here we go.
I'm Maria, and I'm from Long Island. My question is it more difficult for foreign buyers to purchase property in New York than it is for U.S. citizens?
All right, interesting question. What about foreign buyers? What are the hurdles these days, and is there really a difference for a foreign buyer?
Jeff, great question. Considering the current economic environment in New York City and the influx of foreign money coming into the city, this is a great question. Jeff, there are certain technical requirements that a foreign national has to go through. He needs to consult with his accountant, he needs to consult with his attorney to find the proper vehicle with which to purchase, whether it's an entity like an LLC or an S-Corp, whether it's a foreign entity which he already wholly controls, or whether it's as an individual owner.
All those options are available?
All those options are available.
Okay.
It's up to the professional to set up the transaction the right way. Having set it up and set the table properly, the transaction will flow just like it would for a resident or a citizen.
But I guess the big elephant that's in the room is, while there's a lot of ways to take title to property as a foreigner, financing is going to be the big challenge.
What financing?
Right. There we go. So if you are a foreign buyer, not working in the U.S., no credit history in the U.S., chances are you're out of luck for financing.
Your options are unlimited. You would end up going to what I like to call the mom and pop banks. If you're looking for your vanilla type loan, they're non-existent. Most of your major banks are not doing any sort of foreign national programs.
All right. Important to differentiate. It's one thing to be a foreign national not working or residing in the U.S. here on a visa and visiting, as opposed to someone who actually does have a job here and has established credit, but is also a citizen of another country, right? That's a different type of buyer.
Huge distinction. When we say foreign national, we're talking about someone that does not have a resident alien card, does not have a work visa, but merely is coming into the States for this one-time acquisition.
Got it. And for those people, lots of ways to buy property, just maybe difficult to finance it.
Absolutely.
Luigi, that's great advice and terrific information. Thank you.
Thank you, Jeff.
From uptown to downtown.
From the city to the suburbs.
You never know when we could be in your neighborhood.
Metro Residential will be right back.